Hi everyone! Today we're going to take a look at PTZOptics' newest addition to the Studio line of fixed cameras, the Studio 4K. The Studio 4K takes the functionality of a fixed position zoom camera and adds a high resolution of 4K. The Studio 4K comes in 12x and 20x zoom, and today we'll take a look at the 20x model. This high-quality video camera is perfect for dozens of applications, including streaming from schools, houses of worship, and civic meeting spaces, supplementing PTZ cameras in live broadcast studios and performance venues, and adding video to podcasting and radio station studios. As you unbox the Studio 4K, you will find the Quick Start Guide, the camera, and the accessories package. Inside the accessories package, you'll find a lens cover, AC power supply, an IR remote control, 2 AAA batteries, and a USB 3.0 cable. Let's take a look at the camera itself. As we noted earlier, this model features a 20x optical zoom lens with a 60.7 degree field of view. The Studio 4K 12x features a 72.5 degree field of view. Equipped with time of flight, or TOF, close range assisted focusing, combined with advanced focusing algorithms, the Studio 4K can quickly focus and stabilize regardless of distance. Looking at the back, you get a great idea of the connectivity available on the Studio 4K. The camera offers the flexibility, versatility, and signal quality of SDI, along with a USB 3.0 port, HDMI, an Ethernet port that is PoE capable, and a DC 12-volt power interface. It also has a 3.5mm audio input to attach an external microphone, or you can use the camera's built-in microphone. Let's take a look at the left side of the Studio 4K. Here, you'll find the quick keys, including manual zoom and focus buttons, as well as the autofocus setting button. The menu/back, enter, and arrow key buttons can be used to maneuver through the camera's on-screen display menu, which can be viewed on any of the video streams, such as HDMI or NDI. On the front of the Studio 4K, you'll note the built-in tally light above the lens. This is designed to show if the camera is live or on standby, letting your presenter know which camera they should address. On the right side and underside of the Studio 4K, you'll find mount points to connect the camera to a tripod, post, or other mounting option. The IR remote provides handheld control over your Studio 4K camera, including zoom buttons and the ability to create presets. A new feature from PTZOptics is that many of its cameras now come Hive-Linked, which means that you can automatically connect to them through Hive Studio, allowing centralized multi-camera control and management from anywhere within the comfort of a web browser. Ready to get started? Simply connect the Studio 4K to the intended computer and begin. With HDMI 2.0 or 3G SDI, plus IP video, RTMPS, SRT, RTSP, RTP, and either USB 3.0 or NDI HX2 as outputs, the Studio 4K can integrate into even the most complex video setups. Make it a great complement to a configuration that already includes PTZ cameras. And with native NDI HX, no additional licenses needed to access your camera over the network. And don't forget Hive Studio, which allows you to control your Hive-linked PTZOptics camera from anywhere. Looking for extra control? Our new web UI is easily accessible from your browser. Simply enter http://ptzoptics.local into the web browser. You'll then be prompted to create a username and password for your device. Log in with the username and password you created in the previous step and begin making adjustments that fit your workflow. For more information on the PTZOptics Studio 4K, refer to the included Quick Start Guide. For more advanced operations, please refer to the manual located on the documentation page under the Resources tab at PTZOptics.com. And as always, feel free to reach out to support or check out the knowledge base on our website at community.ptzoptics.com. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Studio 4K.